Lesson 4, Worksheet Formatting, Task 1. Step 1. Start Excel. If necessary, open the Inventory Practice file from the data files for this lesson. Step 2. Save the file as Inventory Practice _ your initials and the location that your teacher instructs you to. Step 3. Insert a header that has your name on the left, the date code in the center, and the page number code at the right. Change back to normal view. Step 4. Drag over the row headers for rows 1 through 4 to select them. Step 5. Click on the Home tab. Find the Clear and then Clear Formats. Step 6. Click cell A4. Type 11/30/17. Press Ctrl Enter. Step 7. On the Home tab, in the Numbers group, click the Dialog Box Launcher to open the Format Cells dialog box. Date should already be selected in the category list. Step 8. Click 14-MAR in the type list and then click OK. Step 9. Click the Page Layout tab, then Themes. Step 10. Move the mouse pointer over the Facet theme to see a live preview of its appearance. Step 11. Click the Ion theme to apply it. Step 12. Drag over the range A1 to I1 to select it. Step 13. Click on the Home tab, then click Merge and Center. Step 14. In the Styles group, click the Cell Styles or the More button, then click Title. Step 15. Drag over the range A3 to I3 to select it. Step 16. Click the Merge and Center button. Step 17. Click the Cell Styles or the More button and then click Heading 2. Step 18. Drag over the range A4 to I4 to select it. Step 19. Click the Merge and Center button. Step 20. Click the Bold button located in the Font group. Step 21. Drag over the range D5 to G5 to select it. Click the Merge and Center button. Step 23. Click Cell Styles or the More button. And click the 20% Accent 3 button. Step 24. Click cell D7 and type the following entries, pressing Enter after each. Step 25. Click cell E7. Type the following cell entries, pressing Enter after each. Step 26. Drag over the range C7 to C29 to select it. Step 27. Click the accounting number format. Step 28. Press and hold Control and Home. Your worksheet should look like the following on the next page, figure 1-4. Step 29. Save and close the file.